spotting internal fires in your body in just a minute. Simple Eastern health hacks for better wellness. Hey everyone, have you ever felt like your body is sending you signals, but you're not sure how to interpret them? Well, with some ancient Eastern wisdom, think traditional Chinese medicine, you can spot imbalances like excess heat or fire in your organs with just a quick self-check. These fires aren't literal flames, but are signs of inflammation or overactivity that can mess with your health. The great news is that a little observation can go a long way, and there are simple, natural remedies to help balance things out. I'm going to break it down step by step, keeping it easy and practical so you can apply it to your everyday life. Just a heads up, this isn't medical advice if you have serious health concerns. Always check in with a doctor, but it's a great way to tune into your body and take charge of your wellness. Quick checks for organ fires. Look for these signs and try simple fixes. Sometimes all it takes is a quick glance in the mirror or paying attention to how you feel to notice when something's off in your body. Each organ has telltale signs where heat or imbalance can show up, often linked to stress, diet, or lifestyle. Here's how to detect these organ fires and cool them down with simple herbal remedies. Just soak the ingredients in hot water and sip throughout the day. A kidney fire, check your ears. If you're experiencing yin deficiency and excess heat, you may notice dizziness, ringing in the ears, hearing loss, lower back pain, knee aches, or night sweats. This imbalance often leaves you feeling drained but overheated. Quick fix. Brew some asparagus and goji berries in hot water and drink the infusion to nourish and cool the kidneys. Heart fire, look at your mouth. Excess heart heat can lead to blisters on the tongue. A red tongue tip. Mouth ulcers, irritability, or insomnia. Remedy. Soak lotus seeds in hot water and drink the infusion to calm the heart and ease the symptoms. Liver fire. Examine your eyes. When liver heat flares up, your eyes might become red, swollen, dry, or gooey with discharge. You might also feel irritable or sleepless. Solution. Steep chrysanthemum flowers in hot water and sip to soothe the liver and clear the heat. Lung fire. Inspect your nose. Overactive lung heat can show up as redness or peeling around the nose. Nosebleeds, coughing, yellow phlegm, or a sore throat. Try this. Soak how tiny a fish mint in hot water and drink the infusion to cool the lungs and reduce inflammation. Stomach fire, check your teeth and gums. When stomach heat is too high, you might crave cold drinks, have swollen or bleeding gums, dry mouth, bad breath, or hard stools. Fix. Brew dandelion in hot water and drink it to detox and balance the stomach. With a little mindfulness, you'll start to notice these signs early. It's like your body gently whispering to you before it shouts. Buddhist quote for reflection. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. Buddha. Reading your face for hidden health clues. Eyes, mouth, tongue, and nose, your face is like a map of your internal health. By paying attention to certain signs, you can catch imbalances such as weakness, dampness, or stagnation early. This is part of Eastern diagnostic wisdom, where the face reveals patterns that can tell us more about our body's condition. Eyes, puffy bags under the eyes. This indicates spleen weakness and excess dampness, which could be linked to bloating or fatigue. Dark circles. These are a sign of kidney deficiency, often associated with low energy or back issues. Yellowish whites. This suggests damp heat in the liver and gallbladder, often leading to digestive issues. Mouth and lips, purple lips. This can point to blood stagnation. indicating poor circulation. Dark lips could signal kidney problems. Pale lips, a common sign of blood deficiency, often presenting as anemia-like symptoms. Tongue, pale tongue. This often shows blood deficiency. Thick tongue with teeth marks. This typically indicates spleen weakness and possible digestion issues. Yellow, greasy coating points to damp heat, which could be a sign of inflammation or infections. Nose, red nose, suggests heat in the spleen and stomach, often linked to heartburn or overeating. Bluish tip indicates a weak, cold spleen and stomach, which could lead to chills or a poor appetite. By learning to recognize these subtle signs, you can take proactive steps in maintaining balance and health in your life. Buddhist quote for reflection: just as a flower does not pick and choose the bees, the wise person does not pick and choose their experiences. By observing the body's subtle signs, we come to understand the deeper causes of our suffering and find the way to healing. Buddha. Beyond the physical, what your traits reveal about you. In Eastern philosophy, it's believed that your outer self reflects your inner world. A quick glance can reveal so much about who you are. Personality shines through your eyes. Your eyes are often said to be the windows to your soul, revealing your inner thoughts and emotions. Lifestyle shows in your posture and build. The way you carry yourself tells a story about your daily habits, whether you're active or sedentary, mindful or stressed. Emotional ups and downs hide in your voice. The tone and energy in your voice can reflect your emotional state, showing whether you're at peace or in turmoil. Education appears in how you carry yourself. Your knowledge and experiences are often visible in the way you present yourself, from your confidence to your attention to detail. Taste and style evident in your clothes. Your clothing choices often reflect your personality. Values and preferences, serving as an expression of who you are. Compatibility, clear over a shared meal. How you interact with others, especially in shared experiences like eating, shows your ability to connect and find harmony. This serves as a reminder that health is not just physical, it's holistic. The way we look, speak, and interact all reflect our inner balance. Buddhist quote for reflection: what you are is what you have been. What you'll be is what you do now. Buddha. Sleep struggles, stats, types, and root causes. Sleep issues are incredibly common, and Eastern philosophies often link them to imbalances in energy. Let's break it down. Key stats based on recent data. 48.5% of adults aged 18 and older suffer from sleep disorders. For women, 51.1% report sleep issues, higher than the 45.9% of men among those over 65. A staggering 73.7% struggle with sleep. 5 common sleep problems and their Eastern links. 1. Trouble falling asleep or light sleep. This often points to liver weakness and stagnation of Chi energy, which results from stress buildup. 2. Shallow sleep that leaves you wiped out. This could be due to Chi and blood deficiency, leading to low vitality. 3. Not getting enough sleep. This is commonly caused by insufficient Chi and blood, leaving you feeling drained. 4. Waking up and not being able to fall back asleep. Spleen and stomach disharmony, often due to digestive problems, can cause this type of sleep disruption. 5. Total insomnia accompanied by irritability, red eyes, and a bitter mouth. This is usually a result of heart-liver heat, often caused by anxiety overload. Most cases of insomnia, beyond simple colds or digestive issues, stem from poor Chi and blood flow. The key to restoring balance: nourish your Chi and blood through proper diet, rest, and gentle daily habits. Easy ways to detox and rebalance your body, feeling stuck or out of sync. These simple techniques from Eastern practices use movement and nature to clear blockages and boost your energy. No fancy tools required. Stuck chi and blood, stomp your feet. If you're feeling sluggish or like your energy is stuck, try stomping your feet. This helps open the triple burner meridians, promoting better energy flow and relieving stagnation. Back pain from sitting too long. Sunbathe your back. Sunlight is a natural source of yang energy. If you've been sitting for long hours, soak up some sun to activate that yang energy. Ease muscle tension and relieve back pain. Cold hands and feet. Rub your ears. Cold extremities. Try rubbing your ears. This simple move stimulates the life gate fire Mingmen point, warming up your body and improving circulation. Dizzy or headachy, clench your fists. If you're feeling dizzy or battling a headache, clenching your fists can ground you and clear up that fuzzy feeling, helping to restore balance to your head and energy. Can't sleep? Rub your belly. If sleep is eluding you, try gently rubbing your belly. This helps guide your chi back to your danshan, your energy center, promoting relaxation and making it easier to drift off. Dry eyes, gaze into the distance. For dry eyes, gazing into the distance can stimulate your liver meridians, which helps moisten and refresh your eyes, providing relief and comfort. Buddhist quote for reflection: when the body is balanced, the mind is at peace. By nourishing the body, we nourish the soul. Buddha. Taoist 8-character health formula. Timeless tips for longevity from Taoist traditions. There's a simple yet profound formula for mind-body balance, boiled down to 4 animal-inspired principles. Child's heart, ant's diet; turtle's desires, monkey's activity. Child's heart. Keep a childlike heart, remain innocent and open-minded. Fewer worries lead to less emotional strain and better sleep. It protects you from the 7 emotions that can wear you down over time, allowing for inner peace and emotional resilience. Ant's diet. Eat like an ant, not picky, but mindful and moderate. Try a little bit of everything wholesome. Chew your food slowly. And stop eating when you're 70 to 80% full to avoid overeating. This practice not only supports digestion but promotes a healthy, balanced approach to eating. Turtle's desires. Practice restraint. Curb desires, as excessive indulgence can drain your life force. Control lust to preserve your essence. Reduce worry to protect your spirit. Avoid excessive anger to safeguard your liver. Limit overwork to maintain your strength. Quiet your mind to nourish your heart. And manage grief to support lung health. Monkey's activity. Stay active. Move your body and exercise like a playful monkey. Keeping energy flowing and maintaining physical activity throughout life are keys to longevity. Regular movement helps sustain vitality and encourages a vibrant, youthful spirit. Buddhist quote for reflection: health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. Buddha. And that's a wrap on today's quick guide to spotting internal fires in your body and how to use simple, natural remedies to balance things out. By tuning into your body and observing the signals it's sending, you can start taking proactive steps to improve your wellness, all inspired by ancient Eastern wisdom. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, whether it's a simple self-check or trying a new herbal remedy. Thanks for watching Buddhist Teachings, Natural Health. If this video resonated with you, or if you want more tips on how to stay in tune with your body, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Stay mindful, stay healthy, and take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. In the next video, we will guide 15 daily notes when living in balance of yin and yang. See you in the next video.